Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is practice problem 1.6. And the question is, a stove element draws 15 amps when connected to a 240 volt line. How long does it take to consume 180 kilojoules? The answer is also given. Okay, let's solve the problem and see whether we'll get the same answer. So what are all given here? So here the stove draws 15 amps. That means the I is given. I is equal to 15 amps. When connected to a 240 volt line, that means V is equal to 240 volts. So two data along with the third one is how long does it take to consume 180 kilojoules? So that means it is energy, okay, work done. That is equal to 180 kilojoules, and the question asked is how long. So that indicates how much time it takes. The energy here is given in terms of kilojoules. So we need to calculate, we'll calculate the time in seconds only. But this energy and voltage current are not directly related, but they are indirectly related. That means if you calculate power using this V and I, we can calculate this energy. W is equal to power into time. So this is our first step to calculate the power using V and I given. And the second step, using this formula, work done or the energy, that is equal to power into time taken, we can calculate this T as W by T. Okay, so this is the final step for us. So first let's start with calculating this power. P is equal to V into I. V is 240 volts multiplied by the current. Current is 15 amps. And I'll keep this as such watts because we can substitute this P into the third equation so that we'll get it right. So T is equal to W by P. What is W value? W is 180 kilojoules. So it is 180 into 10 power 3 joules divided by power is 240 into 15. So we get T is equal to 0.05 into 10 power 3. That means T is equal to 50 seconds. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Thank you.